In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your Hostinger account, with a special focus on what you need to do if you decide to delete it. Accompany me as I guide you step by step through the process, ensuring clarity and simplicity. Let's begin by visiting the Hostinger homepage. Open your preferred web browser and go to hpanel.hostinger.com. This is your go-to portal for all things Hostinger related, and from here you can manage your hosting plans, domains, and more. Once you've arrived at the homepage, log into your account by entering your credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one to follow this guide. Once you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to your account settings. You'll see your account name or icon, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Simply click on this to access a drop-down menu. Your account hub is where you can change various settings and manage your account details. On this drop-down menu, find and click on Account Information. This section contains important details about your plan, personal information, and other vital data that Hostinger uses to identify and manage your account. Now scroll through the Account Information section until you locate the option that says Delete Account. Take a moment here to double-check any crucial data or services linked to your Hostinger account. Deleting your account is a permanent action. Make sure you're ready to say goodbye to all the data associated with it. Back up any important files or emails that you may need in the future. When you're certain and have your files safely backed up, go ahead and click on Delete Account. This action will bring up a prompt asking you to confirm your decision. Hostinger wants to ensure you're absolutely sure about this irreversible action. Confirming the deletion means all your hosted domains, files, and settings are removed, so take your time to think it through. If you have any doubts or encounter difficulties at this stage, consider reaching out to Hostinger's support team. They can provide assistance with any questions or if technical challenges arise. Customer support can also guide you through other options if you are reconsidering maintaining your account. This wraps up our tutorial on how to manage and specifically delete your Hostinger account. It's essential to approach this process with thoughtfulness, ensuring that all your data is secure before finalizing your decision. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech guides. We're here to make your online experience as seamless and enjoyable as possible.